Hey guys, welcome. This is Fitness Tech Solution. This channel is all about techie stuff, just like video editing, programming, and the likes. We're going to be doing something big. I'm going to be explaining W3 School tutorials. W3 School is the largest web developer site on the internet. I personally use it to develop myself on programming. They have about 3 billion pages displayed each year, 60 million viewers or visitors each month. Okay, they create simplified interactive learning experiences. Learning web development should be easy to understand and available for everyone everywhere. We create tutorials on HTML, CSS, Java, PHP, SQL, Python, Java, the rest. Okay. So they also give the ability to try it yourself. The W2 school is free, like I said. And this is their demographic. They have 30% visits from Asia, 30% from America, 27% from Europe, 3% from Africa, and 2% from Oceania. Okay, now we're going to be starting from the very basics, HTML. Okay, so this is the home. If you're just getting into programming, you just want to start learning programming, I would advise you to start with HTML. Okay, because I think that's the simplest language that someone can easily learn. Let's get into the introduction. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Markup language for creating web pages. Describe the structure of a web page. Consists of a series of elements. Tells the browser how to display the content. If you check different websites, the way they are displayed, the way they are arranged, it's HTML that is all about it. But though other codes are added to design it. Okay. HTML label pieces of the content such as the heading, paragraph, this is a link and the rest. First of all, in every system, there is always an application installed. You don't have to install it. It's called Notepad. Notepad is installed in every system. Notepad is kind of archaic or kind of old. So you can use Notepad plus plus, just type Notepad plus plus and download it. You can go for the latest version, just download Notepad plus plus 8.14. Okay, open it and just wait for it to install. Agree, next, install. It doesn't take time, very easy to download, then finish. Then you can open it. So this is how Notepad plus plus looks like. This is how Notepad looks like. So you can see the difference. So it's more advanced than the other one. So let us be using Notepad plus plus. So you can see use Notepad. There's no problem with that. It's going to give you accurate results and answers. So if you're here and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe as we start. Okay, simple HTML document, doc type HTML. When you talk about doc type, you just tell the browser that this is document type HTML. When you say doc, that's document, okay? Doc type HTML. You can start with HTML, hypertext markup language, the head, the title of the page. Okay, when you say title, just like this is change.log. This is the title of the HTML tab I'm using. Just like this one, this is the title, introduction notepad, fitness tech solution. This is the title of my YouTube page. Then close of head. Whenever you open tag in HTML, you have to close it. Body. Okay, should we just type it and just okay, when you say start with the first one, put an exclamation mark, dot type, no matter how you type it's still going to read, okay? HTML. Let's start with normal HTML. Like I said, anytime you open a tag, you advised to close it. Okay, let's close it. HTML. Let me just put an enter into the middle. After the HTML, the beginning tag, which is the HTML, you have to get to the head. You know, in a letter, you have to start with the heading, right? Once you have specified that this is the letter I want to write, so you're going to start with the heading. So start with the head. If you're using other programming software, just like Sublime Text and the rest, once you open a tag and you click enter, it's going to automatically close the tag for you. But here in Notepad and Notepad plus plus, we have to manually close the tag ourselves. So in the head, okay, not HTML, it's supposed to be head. HAD, yes, HAD. So after the head, you're going to have the title, close the tag immediately, don't forget. When you close the tag, you start with a forward slash. Okay, let's fix something into it. Okay, this HTML, you all know that. The heading, you all know that. The title, let's put something as title, page title. Then after the page title, that's the end of the heading. Then we get to the body of the page you want to create. Okay, once you open a tag, don't forget always close the tag. Okay, in the body we have something like we have H1. When you say H1, the tag is to define HTML headings. When you say H1, H1 is the highest. We have from H1 to H2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. H6 is the smallest writing that HTML can offer you. Then H1 is the biggest. So H1, my first heading. Then P, when you say P, that's paragraph. So the end of the body, then HTML. Like now we have here, we have try it yourself. It opens another page, then run. Okay, this was showing us my first heading, my first paragraph. You know, unfortunately, in this one, it's not showing us our page title. Okay, so let's do something. Get back. If you're using Notepad plus plus and you see this red, that means it has not been saved. So just click Ctrl S to save. Save as. Okay, when you click save as, I advise you maybe you go to documents, create a new folder. Let's call it HTML learning. Okay, this is it here. So let's we are going to save our first page in HTML. So my first heading dot html. Okay, so normal text file, or you can choose all files, all types. Okay, my first heading. Once I've saved that according to HTML, you see colors applying to the tags. Okay, and if you don't put .html, you're not going to see it executed. Okay, let me try something. Let me just copy this code, then open a new one. Ctrl C, Ctrl N, Ctrl V, Ctrl S, new one. Okay, let's get to the HTML stuff we just created. Okay, then save there. If you notice, the first one I saved it to .html, you see colors adding to the tag, added to the tag. This one .txt, this text file, no colors is added. So let's get to the document side. Okay, document. So this is a new one. Okay, just see it opened our code directly. Okay, but if you click on this, my first heading, come over here, you see my first heading paragraph. Okay, and I told you about something. The title, this is the title, page title, right? Check, get back to our code. Page title. You see this is what happened here. This page title. You see page title here. My first heading, my first paragraph. Okay, this is the highest. Like I said, this is the highest font HTML can offer you. My first paragraph this is my first paragraph. Okay, now let's do something. Let's just add some little changes to see how they're going to reflect. Okay, let's do something. This is page title. Let's change to another thing. Learning HTML or learn HTML, right? HTML. My first heading. Let's just add your minor changes there. Then you see the red has come again. So just press Ctrl S, save it, then come over here and come and click this reload page. This is something the title is changed to learn HTML, the heading and the paragraph. Now let's just change something here. This is H2, Ctrl Z, H2, H2, then save it, Ctrl S, reload. If you see, the thing came a little bit smaller. So that's the first one we're going to be doing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. When you subscribe, you enable yourself to get notified about the next episode coming. Thanks.